Have you ever experienced that you woke up and you were about to start your day? You were probably going to the office or going to work, and you just wanted to find and look forward for that nice cup of coffee to start your day, to give you that boost. And let's just say you went to a Starbucks coffee outlet and you went to the counter, and the thing is you're in a location that it's difficult to order in Chinese. And what happened was you have a lot of people queuing up at the back. There's a lot of people waiting for their turn. Everybody's rushing. And when it was your turn, you have trouble in just placing your order. Maybe you have a simple request, or maybe you just wanted to have a simple customization in your drink. Well, it just so happens that it's pretty much difficult to just get the message across. So you end up having the coffee that you don't like, and it was a very bad experience. And if it's you, let me know in your comments below. What was your experience? Was it so bad? Because my experience was so horrible, and it ruined the whole day for me. And maybe if you're in a location that maybe you're gonna ask, we do have apps. We can use apps. They have English. It's easy. Yeah, probably. We can do that. That's the easiest way out. But chances are, since you're in this video, you're here. And I would be thinking that you are looking to improve your life. And you wanted to practice your Chinese skill for you to communicate. Not only from that situation, because you're here to find a solution throughout your daily lives. So it's not only for just ordering coffee, but this is one baby step that you can go for. And if this is you, stay tuned until the end of the video, because I'm going to show you easy and simple, step by step, on how you can just get that smooth and nice cup of coffee to start your day, so that you can have that boost that you wanted. So is this what you want? Are you ready?
Yes! 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 Yes!
If you are, here we go. All right, here we are. You're ready at Starbucks coffee. You're ready at the counter. But before we go into that, do you know that there's a Chinese name for Starbucks coffee? If you don't, or if you do, this is just a reminder if you do. But for those, if you don't, just want to tell you the name of Starbucks coffee in Chinese is 星巴克. 星巴克. Starbucks coffee. So it might be a little bit new for you, but don't worry. You can rewatch this video again. The second time is always better, and third time is always a charm. Just go back and relearn, watch, practice. Now, there are few ways of saying what's your order. So first things first, let's make sure that you know or understand in Chinese what's your order, so that you won't be shocked when you're there. All right, so let me just show you these two common ways. So first is 你好，请问你要点什么？你好，请问你要点什么？ Literally, this is what would you like to order? what would you want to order? So this is one way. Xiang Cao Latte. Xiang Cao Latte. Vanilla latte. So this is vanilla latte. Cappuccino. Cappuccino. This is my favorite. Guess what it is?
Cappuccino!
That's right. Cappuccino. 意式浓缩。意式浓缩。Can you guess this one? This is the type of coffee that you wanted to have that double boost. Espresso. Espresso. 焦糖 Macchiato. 焦糖 Macchiato. Guess what it is? Caramel Macchiato. Caramel Macchiato. If you like this drink, remember and practice. Mocha. Mocha. This sounds familiar, and I'm gonna give you a hint. This is a non-caffeinated drink.
Do I need it?
Okay, I guess you're right. This is mocha. Cafe mocha. So now, are you ready? Are you ready to order your favorite drink, your coffee? If you are, let's go. Go in Starbucks, go in your cafe, start practicing and just do it. Go in order, give it a drive, and let me know your comments below. I would like to hear what are your comments below. And if this video gives value to you, please still stay at the end of the video because I will be giving you some other step-by-step because this is just the beginning. And after you're giving your coffee, guess what's gonna be the other question? So since you already know what are the types of coffee, and if those types of coffee and there's one favorite that you like that is not there, please give us a comment below, and of course we will get back to you on your comments, and who knows, maybe we'll create another video just for you and to maybe go deeper into this video if this is what you like. So what you can answer is, since you are ready at the counter, they're gonna ask you that question, what do you want to order? What are you gonna say? So you can just say not yeah. So it's an easy way to do it. But if you want to be on the next level, what you can do is you can also say 你好，我要一杯拿铁。你好，我要一杯拿铁。Did you get it? Did you get it? It means hello. I want 1 cup of cafe latte. So what you're going to do here is you're just going to start with 你好，我要一杯 and then the coffee or the drink that you like. So 你好, I believe that you know that's hello. 我要 means I want. 一杯 means a quantifier in the situation. It means 1 cup. 一 means 1. 杯 means cup. 一杯 cappuccino. I want 1 cup of cappuccino.